In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare branches on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's log into your GitHub account. To do this, head on over to github.com and enter your login credentials. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. GitHub is a fantastic platform for version control and collaboration. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. This area showcases your repositories and activities. Now let's navigate to the repository that you want to work with. Simply click on the repository name from the list provided on your dashboard. If your repository isn't showing up right away, don't worry. You can always use the search bar to find it. Now that you're in the right repository, let's move on to the next step, accessing the Compare interface. This is super easy. Just look at your browser's address bar, and you'll need to add /compare to the end of your repository's URL. For instance, if your repository URL is github.com/usernames-repository, you will change it to github.com username/repository-compare. Once you've done that, hit enter. As simple as that. This will take you to the compare interface where all the magic happens. All right, the interface should display a compare view, but now we need to select the branches we want to compare. You should see two drop-down menus, and it's here where you can choose the branches that you want to examine. The default setting might start with the main branch, but feel free to switch it to whatever branches are relevant for your comparison. For example, you might want to compare a feature branch against your main branch, or perhaps review changes between two different feature branches. Just click on the drop-down and select the branches you need. Now that you've selected the branches, it's time to review the changes. The interface will give you a detailed look into what has been added or modified. You can see this information line by line. Just think of it as a side-by-side comparison that highlights differences. You'll find changes marked in green for additions and red for deletions, which makes it easy to see at a glance what's different. Furthermore, you can also access the commit histories for each branch directly from this interface. This is particularly useful if you want to follow the evolution of changes over time or see who made specific modifications. Additionally, looking at the merge insights can help you understand whether your changes can be integrated smoothly or if you might run into any conflicts. And that's it. You've learned how to compare branches on GitHub. It's a straightforward process, but so vital for any collaborative project. This feature can help you keep track of changes, understand your project better, and ultimately ensure a smoother workflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!